Hello guys, hope you are doing well. My name is Ashish Agarwal and I have secured 450 rank in GATE 2019. So here we will begin. My subject of specializations in engineering hotspot will be engineering mechanics, thermodynamics and its application, as well as some parts of material science, and maths will be taken by me as well as Harshvardhan sir. So today I will give a brief about how to tackle the problems of GATE. So I have taken some problems of GATE 2020 set 2, and these are basically the problems from thermodynamics and its application. The main motive to solve this problem is not just to give you the solution, but to give you a quick insight of how to tackle the problems during the exam, because you will see some lengthy problems and you will get stuck in each problem. And in any competitive exam there is a game of timing and accuracy. So how you are going to tackle those things in exam, we will see here with the help of some problems. And this lecture what I am taking now, it's open to all, but soon it will going to be it will be for subscribers. So you can subscribe the channel with amount of ₹29 per month. And if you have any queries regarding anything, you feel like how to which subjects we are going to take, when you will be able to find those subjects, how you can join, how much money you have to pay, or which are the things you can see for free. Those things, those queries you can ask in one number. You can note down the number. It's basically a WhatsApp number. If you have WhatsApp, you can directly message this number. You can note this number: 8503959 I am again repeating the number: 8503959 So all the queries will be taken care, and you can always message us in this WhatsApp number. So let us begin with the first problem. And these questions what I am dealing now, this you will get one PDF. In that PDF you will get all the questions as well as the solution as well. So first problem is question number 16 that came in set 2. It is saying that a closed vessel contains pure water in thermal equilibrium with its water vapor at 25 degrees Celsius, as shown in stage 1. You can see this figure. What it is showing? It is showing that the ambient air is at 25 degrees Celsius and it is at a pressure of 1 atm. While the inside condition of this vessel is having water that is at 25 degrees Celsius and some amount of water vapor is present. So there is one valve A. This valve can be opened whenever it is required. Now let us read the question further. It's saying that the vessel in this stage is then kept inside an isothermal oven. So this vessel we have taken inside an isothermal oven. Isothermal means the temperature of this oven will remain constant at 80 degrees Celsius. And the atmosphere contains hot air, and the atmosphere is still at 1 atm, but the temperature of the atmosphere is now 80 degrees Celsius. Because of isothermal condition, the air inside the oven gets 80 degrees Celsius. the vessel exchange heat with the oven atmosphere and attains a thermal equilibrium. They are saying that this vessel is exchanging heat with this oven, means it is not a adiabatic container, or the vessel is not adiabatic. It will exchange heat with the surrounding. And they are saying that the valve A is now open inside the oven. This valve A, this is now open. They are saying what will happen after opening the valve. See, you can see this water is at 25 degrees Celsius in the starting condition. Okay. And the ambient is also at 25 degrees Celsius, but the pressure is 1 atm. You know that this water, when it will attain 100 degrees Celsius, it will achieve its boiling point. And what happens at the boiling point? The vapor pressure will be equals to the atmospheric pressure. What is atmospheric pressure? 1 atm. But the inside condition is not 25, is not at 100 degrees Celsius. It is at 25 degrees Celsius. Okay. So in this case, the pressure inside the vessel will not be 1 atm. It is less than 1 atm. In that case, there is a chance of diffusion. There is a definite chance of diffusion of any air, ambient air, to the vessel. Now you have taken this vessel to 80 degrees Celsius. This oven to 80 degrees Celsius. So the air is also at 80 degrees Celsius. Now what will happen? The inside condition is still initially at 25 degrees Celsius, but what will happen, due to the temperature being less than 1 atm and the pressure being less than 1 atm and the pressure outside being 1 atm, the air will diffuse inside, and due to the contact with this oven, the air is hot. So when the valve will open, this hot air will go inside and it tries to occupy this position. So if you read the options, you will see that first option they are saying water vapor inside the vessel will come out of the valve A. So how this can happen? This is not possible, because the pressure inside this vessel is less than 1 atm, but the outside is at 1 atm. So in that condition, the pressure outside being higher, the fluid cannot go outside. It is possible that only the air can go inside. This water vapor cannot come outside because of pressure difference. Second, they are saying the hot air, so this option is wrong. Hot air will go inside the vessel, so the valve A, this option is correct. As per our reasoning, this is correct. Option C, nothing will happen. The vessel will continue to remain in equilibrium. This is not possible, because the vessel is not an adiabatic one. So in that condition, there will be an exchange of heat with the surrounding. So it cannot remain in equilibrium. This option is wrong. It will deviate from the equilibrium. All vapor inside the vessel will immediately condense. This is not possible, because the vapor can condense only when it will reach a condition of 1 atm of pressure, and at 80 degrees Celsius this can't happen. at if even if heat goes inside, the temperature inside the vessel cannot reach 80 degrees Celsius, or it cannot reach 100 degrees Celsius, because to have a condition of this type will completely immediately condense, it will have to have a temperature of 100 degrees Celsius inside. But this is not seen here, because even if the heat goes inside, the temperature will never attain 100 degrees Celsius inside. So in that condition, there will not be an equilibrium of pressure between vapor pressure and atmospheric pressure, and in that case you will not have any boiling or condensation. So this option is also wrong. So the correct option only we can see is option number B. So this is the answer for this problem. So let us move to another problem what they are saying.